Hey, what's your name and badge number?
Deputy Brown, County 52.
All right, perfect. Thank you.
Got it?
What was the fear that you guys were scared of?
What's that?
What were you scared of? Why'd you make him get out of the car? What was the legitimate safety concern?
What is the concern?
It wasn't a safety concern. It was just you flexing your authority, right?
Welcome back to Audit the Law. This video comes courtesy of Silent J. Make sure you all head over to his channel and give him the credit he deserves. This video is taking place in Casper, Wyoming, and it involves the Natrona County Sheriff's Office. Folks, I want you to pay very close attention to this video for a few reasons. Firstly, this guy shows how we can all do better at serving our community as cop watchers or auditors. Secondly, he absolutely owns these cops with knowledge. Lastly, this guy knows his stuff and he sets a good example of how that can save you or someone else from police harassment. So without further ado, folks, let's jump into the video.
Say that there was a dog that he smelled some type of drug in there and he was shit.
Well, their dogs are wrong 70% of the time.
Yeah. And I'm still recording. The police officer, I think it's that one there, the one that pulled him out.
Also, with the lawful order of getting out of the vehicle, if you look up their case law of Pennsylvania v. Mims, that'll answer your questions on why we have lawful authority to have the hospital people that are in the vehicle during the traffic stop. Okay?
Pennsylvania v. Mims, guys, is only if they're in legitimate fear of their safety. It's not just some loophole for them to get you out of your vehicle. Totally misquoted that.
Whole thing, everything has been on my body cam too. I've been recording since the time
He said that there's a law.
Well, it's Pennsylvania versus Mims, but he misquoted it.
It is case law, so.
What were you scared of? What was the fear? What were you scared of, sir?
Have a good day, sir.
What's your name and badge number?
Have a good day.
48, Deputy Bryant. Also, this is my traffic stop. You guys aren't a part of that. I'm finishing up with it.
It's a public. You were done. You just said bye, sir.
To leave the road.
Hey, what's your name and badge number, officer?
The other one took off.
Hey, what's your name and badge number?
Deputy Brown, County 52.
All right, perfect. Thank you.
Got it?
What was the fear that you guys were scared of?
What's that?
What were you scared of? Why'd you make him get out of the car? What was the legitimate safety concern?
What is the concern?
It wasn't a safety concern. It was just you flexing your authority, right?
Talking, that's fine.
Whatever. Shut the fuck up. And then you wonder why the community hates you. The community hates you, you f***ing tyrant. Hey, officer, what was the fear? What were you scared of, you f***ing coward?
All right, so the guy recording saw these deputies pull this family over and pull them out of their vehicle. Per the ruling of Pennsylvania versus Mims, an officer can ask you to exit your vehicle if he fears for his safety. What comes into question most times is what constitutes a safety hazard for justification to utilize this case law. That is always the main discussion when officers utilize this as their reasoning. It's a very valid argument and one that should we bring into consideration to overturn this case law. Reason being is that police should not be able to just say they fear for their safety and that automatically give them the power to remove you from your vehicle. The man behind the camera is correct in pressing these deputies and asking them what their safety concern was to pull this family out of the car. When these deputies fail to answer, it becomes clear that they did this merely to flex their presumed authority, just to mess with this family, or so it seems. What's truly astonishing is just how fast these deputies ran away from the camera. That's usually an indication that they are doing something unlawful.
What were you scared of, coward? What were you scared of, coward? Hey, what were you scared of, coward? Hey, what were you scared of, coward? What were you scared of? Fucking pussies. Look at you. The camera shows up and you don't want to be on the video no more? What's up, dude? What's up? Yeah, what's up? What were you scared of? You scared now? There's a camera here, huh? That scares you. You scared, huh? Fucking coward. You're a fucking coward, dude. Hey, what was your safety concern? Officer, what was your safety concern? Uh-oh.
What's up, sir?
What was your safety concern?
What's my safety concern?
Yeah, what was your safety concern?
It doesn't matter what my safety concern is. You're not
It
part of
does.
this
No,
traffic
it
stop.
does matter.
You're not a part of this traffic
Pennsylvania versus Mims. You're
We
only
just need to
allowed to
get
have
these guys-
people exit the
Okay,
vehicle when you're
we need to
in
get-
fear of your safety.
stop. Guys, now we're becoming a traffic hazard, okay? I'm about
You-
to
you
turn my
caused
lights
the
off,
traffic
which
hazard.
means then you're going to become a traffic hazard as soon as my
I'm
lights
on
off.
dude, we're on a
So now you're gonna
sidewalk.
Look out for your guys' safety.
You're on a sidewalk.
So now that we're done with the traffic stop, can you
It's
guys
Pennsylvania
please,
versus Mims.
Can you guys please get in your vehicle? and at
You
least
guys
get
better
off the
go
roadway
before you
here?
get in trouble.
If you go up about a half a mile, you can go into Morad Park.
Yeah.
If you'd like.
What were you scared of?
All right, sir. Have
What
a
was the
good
fear,
day.
sir? Were you scared?
Have a great
Are you
day.
scared now? Why do you have that badge if you're such a coward, bro? Why do you have that badge if you're such a coward? What are you scared of? You at war with the community? Hey, where's your guys' secret black site that you torture detainees? Like your Baton Rouge officers. Look at this guy. He's got illegal tin on his car and shit. What's up? Were you scared? Are you scared now? Oh man. You don't like it, do you? You know the difference between my video and yours? Mine doesn't disappear. Hey, you need to read up on Pennsylvania versus Mims, bro. You totally misquoted that. What were you afraid of? What were you afraid of, sir? What was your fear? And then you wonder why the community hates you.
This guy absolutely owned these deputies. They knew they were in the wrong. The moment this man asked what was their safety concern. If this video showed us one thing, it's that law enforcement absolutely abused their presumed authority in even the most minor of circumstances. If they are willing to do this at the smallest of levels, then who is to say that they aren't doing this at the highest level? What's really unfortunate is that they will prey on hardworking people and their families to make their presence an inconvenience. Rather than be of service to the community, they are out here randomly searching cars that they know have nothing to offer, as far as evidence to a crime. Rather than solve some real crimes, they are out here sniff-checking innocent people's cars for kicks. Like the man said, this is why communities are turning on police these days. With that being said, make sure you all head over to Silent J's channel, subscribe, and I will see you all over in his comments. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for watching.